I want to take money from my account. The bank accountant passed me a form, which I have to fill it first. I want to register in a class which I wanted from a long time ago. The first step in registration is filling a form. In a daily life, forms play an important role. Most of these forms are designed by Excel. Fortunately, designing a form is the simplest and easiest step in Excel. Mike is a planner, and he needs to prepare daily reports. So, he should first prepare a form according to his needs in Excel. He knows his needs, but he doesn't know where he can start from. Let's enter form designing journey and make a simple but practical one. Form designing techniques. First of all, visualize in your mind what you want to have in the form. Now, Mike is visualizing about his needs in his mind. Date, weather conditions, manpower, machinery, and charts. What he needs is now summarized in these boxes in his mind. The next step is to take a piece of paper and a pen and draw the initial form on a paper. This is Mike's initial form on a paper. He can add or remove any information and get the final sketch. Now, we are going to perform it in Excel. But don't forget, this is a simple form. With the techniques you will learn here, it is possible to design any form you want. Page layout. It is wise to set up page layout before starting on designing a form. I click on page layout. You see, it is the preparation of the page, the size of the page. I select A4. The orientation. It is either portrait or landscape. I select portrait and margins. I click on narrow. You see, a dashed line is appeared on the worksheet. It means, according to the options we choose in page layout, the borders are determined. I click on a cell. You see, it is possible to pass the other cells by pressing direction keys on the keyboard. Form journey starts in Excel. I'm starting to insert the sketch into Excel one by one. The header is a project name. I type it. Project details are employer, contractor, subcontractor. Oh, I forgot daily report row. It can be on the second row. What should I do now? Because I want a new empty row on number 2. Right-click on number 2 and select Insert. An empty row is added. So I type Daily Report. That's it. Weather conditions. What do we have for weather conditions? Sunny, cloudy, snowy, or even windy. I type in front of weather conditions and I left an empty cell for checking mark. And we can have temperature. For temperature also, we have minimum and maximum. Now we can add working shifts. You know, in some projects it is possible to work 2 shifts. I can type, but this time I want to copy it from an external resource. This external resource can be a website, a Microsoft Word file, or even another Excel file. Here, I just want to show you the paste options. Paste options. We have resources worksheet, which I've created before. From resources, I copy working shifts. The aim here is to show you the paste options in Excel. Copy it, then in our form sheet, I right-click on the cell and you see paste options. First option is P. It pastes exactly the same format which it was. Or from keyboard, press Ctrl V. It does the same. As you see, working shifts format is like the resources sheet. Now I go to resources again and copy Shift, Day, Night, and Shift Start. You can right-click and copy or press Ctrl C from keyboard. Now all are copied. It is our decision to paste it according to our needs. Back to form. I don't want to paste the format. The second option is value paste. It just pastes the value in cells, not the format or the formula. You see the format is not pasted. I will talk about the other paste options among this tutorial.